My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to discuss in my short video about the government's decision about the cancellation of examination across the country and criticism which it has received on this decision. I'm going to discuss it with you as you know that all the students and their parents across the country are under pressure regarding the board examination in these highly critical circumstances. Regarding the government's decision, what the government has decided in its meeting on Thursday, let us see it shortly. On Thursday, May 7, 2020, the National Coordination Committee, NCC, announced the cancellation of board examination. Now, in their meeting, they have decided that. Now, see, cancellation of board examination has been decided in the meeting. But see, this is only a one sided decision, and definitely it will have to face criticism and opposition as well. So, these decisions should not be finalized or taken as final decisions because there is always an opposition, there is always a criticism. In the committee, it was decided that the students of 10th and 12th classes would be promoted on the basis of their results of 9th and 11th classes respectively. जो मैट्रिक और ग्रेड 12 के स्टूडेंट्स होंगे उनको उनका एग्जाम कैंसिल हो चुका है. इट वॉज डिसाइडेड इन द कमिटी एंड दे सेड दैट उनको क्लास 9th और फर्स्ट ईयर के रिजल्ट्स की बेस पे प्रमोट कर दिया जाएगा. दे विल बी कंसिडर्ड एज पास्ड on the basis of their 9th and first year grades and their marks. But at the same time, the education minister, federal education minister Shafqat Mahmood has said that further decisions will be taken in consultation with stakeholders, those who are organizers. He says that this has been decided, but further decisions will come in future when they will consult with the concerned people, stakeholders, those who are organizers. They will consult with them and then further decisions will be taken. Maybe this is not the final decision. Then they said that while the students of 9th and 11th classes will be given a chance to appear in composite examination, next year, students of 9th who are to appear this year in board examination, they will appear in both 9th and metric examination together. It will be a composite examination of class 9th and 10th. Similarly, the students of 11th class, they will have composite examination with in their after their second year they will have to appear in composite examination of first year and second year both. So this was decided in the meeting, but dear students, it should not be taken the final decision of the government, because whenever such decisions of highly grave nature are taken, there is always an opposition. Definitely, it is not a minor thing. It is the question of the future of the students. Now, there arose many questions regarding the cancellation of examination. Now, dear students, as soon as the government announced the cancellation of examination, immediately there arose many queries and confusions regarding the cancellation of these board examination. Now see, the first confusion and reservation on the part of the opposition, on the part of the students, on the part of the parents as well, is that the promotion of students of 10th and 12th classes on the basis of their previous results would be an injustice to them, as in majority cases, students work hard this year to make up their deficiencies. Those who could not get good marks in their 9th and first year classes, they usually work harder than ever in order to make up their deficiencies and in order to improve their grades, because they have to take admission in professional colleges after their 12th grade. So this is a very important stage of the student's life. And federal minister himself said that all these aspects will be kept in view before finalizing a policy. It means this policy is not finalized yet. They will consult, they will take in view, they will take into consideration all the opposition or the opinions of the parents, the opinions of the students across the country, and then they will finalize this decision. Secondly, they said that generally the students with lower scores improve their grades and position by working hard, as on the basis of these final results, they become eligible to appear in the entrance examination of medical and engineering colleges. This is a very important stage of students' life, because at this very stage of their life, their professions are decided. Their future is decided. So, cancellation of examination is not a minor thing. It definitely has its opposition. So, these are reservations. These are some queries and confusions. Now, there are some demands of education sector and the educators. Now, see, the educators have demanded the government to reconsider its decision, and by implementing SOPs, these exams should be conducted. Now they have demanded that by implementing standard operating procedures, they can conduct examination. It is not something very complicated or difficult thing to do. So they have demanded that they should reconsider their कि वो अपने फैसले पे नज़रसानी करें और SOPs को इम्प्लीमेंट करते हुए, तमाम एहतियाती तदाबीर को इम्प्लीमेंट करते हुए उन्हें इन एग्ज़ाम्स को कंडक्ट करना चाहिए. Now, second demand is that exams can be deferred to until July. Now see, they have clearly demanded that exams can be postponed. It should not be cancelled. It can be postponed. It can be deferred to until July. If banks, and they have said that if banks, parks and markets can be opened, these exams can also be made possible. So they have demanded that if all other things are going on in the world, in the country, then why this invidious reservation with exams only? So they said that these exams can also be made possible. It can be postponed for the time being in the wake of COVID-19, as it may become severe. According to the reports, it may become severe by the mid-May. So it can be postponed until July. Then they said that if students are promoted without exams, then the concept of competition among the students dies down, and it will be unjust for more competent and deserving students. Definitely, this is a strong point. They said that if students are promoted without examinations, then there is a competition among the students who are hardworking, who are competent students. They are hardworking students. They are more deserving students. Then the sense of competition among these students dies down, and it will be unjust, especially with competent and hardworking and deserving students. Then there is a point that there will be a confusion and crisis in admission to medical, engineering and other professional colleges. Students have to take admission after their grade 12. They have to take admission in all the professional colleges. Definitely on the basis of these results there, on the basis of their percentage in their 12th second year's examination, they are considered eligible to appear in the entrance examination, or to appear in, they are found eligible to appear in the entrance examination, and they definitely get admissions in all the professional colleges. So it definitely will pose risk to deterioration of the already struggling education system. पहले ही हमारा जो तालीमी निज़ाम है वो अभी इस हालत में नहीं है कि कोई इतना स्टैंडर्ड या क्वालिटी एजुकेशन सिस्टम हमारा अभी फ़िलहाल नहीं है, ऊपर से अगर इस तरह के डिसीशंस ले लिए जाएं, इट विल डेफिनेटली पोक रिस्क और इट विल बी अ चैलेंज टू ऑलरेडी डिटेरियोरेशन ऑफ द ऑलरेडी स्ट्रगलिंग एजुकेशन सिस्टम. So, and there will be confusion and crisis in admissions in the professional colleges for the students. And those decisions will be very difficult to take in the face of these circumstances. So, my dear students, these decisions, this decision of the government regarding the cancellation of the board examination should not be considered final. You people should remain in touch with your studies as you have already been doing for many months. You should keep in touch with your studies, please, and work hard because the next decision may come soon. I hope it is clear to you. You may write your comments, please. I need your comments, your opinions regarding the cancellation of the examination. If you people agree with all these queries, confusions, and reservations or not, what is your opinion regarding the cancellation of the examinations? I'm waiting for your response, please. Thank you so much.